Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can upload any legal document that your firm is using, how you can templatize it, and how you can use that template to generate any number of documents for any client. My name is Aman, co-founder of Casely.ai, and we are building a document drafting tool using AI. So the new feature that I want to talk to you about today is our AutoTemplates feature. So let's go ahead and dive into that. So you might have seen from our other videos that Casely.ai is a document generation tool. So one aspect of document generation is having templates. So if you used other template software before, you might have struggled with adding in variables in the Word document, going through the document and swapping out matter name for a variable client name. Well, using AI, instead of manually having to write our template for demand letter, our template for complaint plead or retainer, we can use AI for that. So let's go ahead and do that. So what you're seeing right now is our matter screen. And so we can see here, we're quickly able to use our templates to generate documents for this matter. But let's go ahead and create a new template. So I click into that and we get two choices. Now, number one, I can actually go ahead and just manually do this if I already have some type of template that I like to have. And I'll walk through what these options all are a little bit later. But for now, let's go ahead and show you the way we could do it automatically using AI. So let me go ahead and click upload example. And what we're going to do is a notice for urgent contact. So we're going to go ahead and templatize that. So we can see the file has been uploaded. We have it here. And if we have special instructions that we like to tell the AI how to templatize it, we can go ahead and do that here. But again, this is optional. So let's just leave it blank and let's hit generate template. So what's going to happen is that file has been uploaded. Casey is going to read the document, understand what the context of it is, and now it's going to start generating the template. So it's read all the contents. It knows that we need to generate a template, and now it's going to go ahead and actually do that for us. So in a few seconds here, you can see the document that I uploaded is now parsed into our template here. And so we have all these kind of options filled out. And so here, now we've stopped that 0 to 1 blank page issue. We can go ahead and take a look at what we have. Like, does this all look correct? Is this the type of context we want? Is this the text that we want here? That's great. If not, we can make edits if we need to right here. If we want to remove this paragraph, we can go ahead and do that if we need to. So that is the template. Now we can change the name. Since this is not for my particular matter here, we'll go ahead and change that there. Remove it from here as well. And now let's talk about the output format. So we have three output formats. We have a standard document, we have pleading paper, and we have custom letterhead. So this is maybe especially helpful if you have custom letterhead for your particular firm. We can go and upload that, and I'll show that flow later. We can select it, and now every single one of our documents is going to be using our custom letterhead. Pleading paper, this is going to be your typical pleading paper setup. We have a caption here as well. So if we need to use that output format, we can. And then a standard document is just going to be a blank screen, a blank page. So if we want to do all of our edits later in Word doc and we just want the contents done by Casely, we can go ahead and set that. But for this sake, let's go ahead and set a custom letterhead, and let's do that. And let's uncheck captions. We're not going to be needing a caption for our urgent contact template here. Just going to create template. Great. So now this is going to be added to our library of templates. Let's go ahead and use it. So let's go ahead and use template. I'm going to choose my matter, John Dorman here, and we'll go ahead and use template. And so we'll see here, Casey is going to go ahead, search our matter files, understand what this matter is all about, who it is, what are the different parts of information that it needs, address, name, and so on. And there it goes. Let's go ahead and finishing up our urgent contact letter here. Great. So exactly that. We came from a notice of urgent contact for an unassociated matter. And with a matter of a few minutes here, I went and uploaded it, templatized it. And now for any of my matters that I have on Casey, I can go ahead and generate this particular document in a matter of seconds. So we can see here, now Casey has finished writing and exporting our document. So we have it here on the right side. Now, again, if we need to make last minute edits, we can do that here. But, for me, this looks okay. I've got all the uses of John Dorman where I expect them to. I have his address here. I have the current date. That's awesome. Great. Let's go ahead and export this. So once I click on export to docx, exactly that's going to happen. We're going to get a download here, and we're going to be able to see our document now using our letterhead. This is actually using my co-founder's letterhead. So we have a document here. It's got my co-founder's signature. This is for our law firm. And if I need to make any spot edits, I'm in Word doc here, so I can just do that. Or if I feel good about it, I'm ready to go and export it. So I hope you can see with auto templates, we can go ahead and start templatizing any sort of document really in a matter of seconds without having to do a lot of custom configuration. If I jump back over to our Matter, now we have all these pre-built templates. And actually, let's go into the templates view. This is another place that you can start that flow if you need to. But inside of our templates view, this is the Casely templates library. So we have a lot of default templates. Now, you may not have a use case for a demand letter, or you may not be doing a lot of complaint pleads or retainer agreements. That's where this flow can come in. Bring in whatever documents you have, however unique they are, and then within a matter of seconds, have a tailor-made, custom-built template for your particular document. And like you saw here, it only took a handful of seconds for us to finish that template, and now we're ready to use it across however many matters we have. So hopefully that was useful, and hopefully you can see kind of the direction that we're going. We're trying to be the most useful document drafting tool in your arsenal. And very soon, a new feature that we're working on is soon to generate document sets. And now this will be super exciting. What I'm looking forward to is you can have this world where you can have a matter come in after an intake, after you've qualified it, and within a matter of seconds, you already have these templates built out, trigger generating 5, 6, 10 documents, however much you need to just start the case up. And within a matter of seconds now, you're able to go ahead and start spinning those up automatically. And then you get a nice email with 10 documents ready for your particular matter, and you're ready to start litigating or doing whatever you need to. This is totally going to change the game, I think, for law firm owners in 2025. So definitely stay tuned. A lot more coming down, but hopefully you found this useful. And as always, learn more at Casely.ai. Thanks. See ya.